As a United States military veteran,
and as the wife of a military veteran,
and the most beautiful wife, we here at CNF Outdoors Adventures are honored to have been selected in sponsoring a free whitetail deer hunt for a veteran on our property here in Kentucky. With pride, I thank those who served this great country through their dedication and many sacrifices. We salute not only those who served with honor, but give praise and respect to the special family members who often watched with a saddened heart as their loved ones left in service to foreign lands to continue the ongoing process of keeping our homelands safe. Family members left alone to carry the burden and weight of responsibilities and needs that must continue here at home. So again, we here at CNF Outdoors Adventures thank each and every one of you for doing your part in keeping America safe. Please subscribe to CNF Outdoor Adventures for future updates on this hunt and for our many other freely provided outdoor videos. In the description below, we will attach a link for entering the Veterans Free Kentucky Hunt Giveaway. Thank you.